come to the end of season 1 of Hireworthy podcast. Over the past few months, we've had the opportunity to talk to some great designers and product managers who shared their deep perspectives on how to be a problem solver or a designer and build your design and management career as well. Over the candid conversations, we have learned that many problems can be solved well if you approach them with a sense of iterativeness, urgency, and curiosity. And that you can communicate with stakeholders effectively with empathy, and if you are the face of design in your company, you must be the voice of your users and customers. Overall, as a maker and a problem solver, you can be a great interface between all teams to ensure products are shipped in the best way possible. It's been a great experience for me to host them all and have real conversations and bring some much needed perspectives. Thank you for journeying along with me through this season. I'll be bringing more amazing conversations for the season 2, so stay tuned and thanks again very much.